Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. So today I'm showing you my eyelash routine. Now I typically do my eyelashes every other day when I'm doing my full makeup, and I normally have really short, very straight lashes. That's my natural lash. My makeup doesn't look as good unless I do my eyelashes. I know it's another step, but it seemed like a lot of you guys were really interested in how I do my lashes. Again, I think it completely transforms my makeup. I like doing very glittery, bronzy looks, and then when my lashes are just kind of like blah, it doesn't enhance the look. It kind of, I don't know, it always looks like something's missing when I don't put lashes on. So I'm showing you how I do my lashes. I'm using the ARDELL DEMI Wispies that come in this packaging. This comes with 5, and I'm using the ARDELL DEMI Wispies because I think a lot of you guys use them too. This is the type of lash that I always go for. I also use Kiss number 11s. It also comes in like this large pack, so I switch between the two. I also wanted to show you this option here. These are the Faux Mink Wispies by ARDELL as well. I'll leave a link down below to other lash videos that I've done in the past, but I used to go for a very pokey look. Now I'm really going for a very soft, kind of fuller butterfly on the edges kind of a look. So if that's something that you're interested in, especially because I have Asian eyes and Asian lashes, then please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification button so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video on Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, and I will talk to you guys at the end of this video. So the first step to any eye makeup look is obviously the best thing is to curl your lashes. This is the e.l.f. eyelash curler. It's only $2 at Target. I love this thing and I buy them all the time. And then I wanted to show you 3 mascaras that I really love. This one here is from Essence. It's the I Heart Extreme Waterproof Mascara. It's $5. I got it at Forever 21, surprisingly. But the huge brush just adds so much volume to my lashes, and the formula of this mascara is not super wet, so it leaves my eyelashes curled really nicely. I only use waterproof mascara just for you guys to reference, but that's with one coat. And then I'll go in with my Lash Paradise mascara by L'Oreal. This is my go-to, tried and true. I will never ever change, or I'll always have one of these in my kit. And then the last thing I'll do is go in with the Glossier Lash Stick. I got this really just to try it, and I don't think it's the most amazing mascara, but I find that it does an amazing job at separating lashes. So if you have clumpy lashes and you want to separate them, I would recommend that one. Now this is what it looks like, my eye makeup looks like without falsies. It's okay, but I do prefer a more glammed look, just because I feel like it really transforms my eye makeup. So these are the ARDELL DEMI Wispies, as I said. And the first thing I always do is make sure that they're not too long for my eyes. So the reason that a lot of people feel like their lashes are poking in at them at the inner corner is because they don't trim them down. So you want to pull them, the inner corner section, a little bit further away than actually touching your tear duct. So I pull them away slightly, and then I'll just trim off 1 or 2 sections at the outer corner. And then I'm using the Ardell Duo Dark Tone. I love this lash glue. I don't really use anything else besides this one. It dries down at a dark color, so that's amazing. And then I'll just blow on the glue for about 30 seconds. And then I take it from the top at an angle, and I place them right in the center of my lashes. I let it sit there for just a second, and then I will press the inner corner and the outer corner with my tweezers. I've tried to do this with my hands before, and it doesn't really work as well, so I'd highly recommend getting a pair of tweezers to help you. Now, the inner corner and outer corner is really important to stick those on very tightly, but not at a low angle. So make sure you're pressing them kind of with your wrist flicked upward like I'm doing here. And then you get this gorgeous curled look. As you can see, my entire eye makeup looks way better with the eyelashes than without, in my opinion, just because I feel like it finishes it off really well. So we're just going to do the other side, just so I'm saving you guys time. You don't have to watch that section again. And that's kind of what the eyelashes look initially. To finish off the look, I go in with some eyeliner, like a liquid pen eyeliner. And as you can see, my inner tear duct has these gaps of skin. So I just like to take a pen with a felt tip and I'll just kind of run the eyeliner along the inner tear duct area. This one doesn't transfer because it's a waterproof eyeliner pen by CLIO. And all the links will be down below in the description, so just check that out if you miss anything. But I'll do a slight flick at the outside just to really lift the entire eye look and my whole eye completely. This step is super important because the thing is with eyelashes, they can make you look a little sleepy, and I've noticed that no matter what your eye shape looks like, an eyeliner does an amazing job at just making your eyes look very open and very lifted in general. So that is the completed eyelash routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this entire routine. Like I said, it's not something that I do every single day. I do reuse my eyelashes. After I've pulled the strip off, I'll just kind of pull off the glue, and then I'll soak them in a little bit of dish soap just so that I get all of the mascara clumps out of it. I will add more eyeliner if I want to. If I'm going for more cat eye or glam look, I will add it. For the most part, I just kind of do it at the ends so that it really finishes off the look. I'll go in with some black eyeliner underneath, but I don't always do that every single day. I find that's another step. But if you really want to finish off the look like you're going to an event, highly recommend just kind of scribbling the eyeliner in your tight line. But yeah, I think that's all the tips that I have to having really romantic, gorgeous looking lashes. I like doing eyelashes every day because I don't always have to put mascara on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. If you like this video or you found it helpful at all, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out, and I will see you guys back here on Monday for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye!
I want you to be mine again, baby. I know my lifestyle is driving you crazy. I cannot see myself without you. We call them fans, girl, you know how we do. I go out of